Indiana sahi khara asida General Purpose Technology GTP da sada taruk dasmik ahumdagi taruk dasmik mafan fawba leiduna European ge leibak singdagi hena wana leiri hena Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra na phongdokrai India Council of Philosophical Research New Delhi gi makhada Manipur University ge Department of Philosophy na sinduna Values India and Western Perspective haiba wakhalonda numinini sumna sathagadaba National Seminar mangase University asigi court holda hongdokrai Hongdokpagi Thoramatuda, Manipur University ge School of Humanities ki Hanagi Dinamasung, Department of Philosophy ge Head of Department Professor Salam Syam Kishore Amadi, University Asigi School of Humanities ge Dean Professor N. Pramodini Susaruk Yake, Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Namakatana Fongdokibada, European ge Laibak Singa, Christian Lining Sat Pamyo Singa Economy Amadi Industry da Mai Palak Lay, Christian Lining Sat Pamyo Singa Sothana Lay, India ge Sanskrit Asisu, Europe ge South Asian Center da Tamba Hokray, South Asian Center na India ge Varanasi University amadi Manipur University ga Memorandum of Understanding MOU ama kujek pinanaba wafam su thamlakli pangthokiba namit ini ge oiba Values India and Western Perspective haiba seminar asina kanaba amadi wakhaloksing kya piba ngamnagani su haike.
The more we travel, the more we are exposed, we see of how the Indian culture's domination, so let me not say domination, but cultural expansion in Southeast Asia and many other places. They are doing exceptionally well. Therefore, this 2-day seminar, I think, should be able to come out with a comprehensive kind of recommendations so that our thirst for understanding what actually took place during the 18th and 19th century colonial India and how all these narratives and how all these systems of marginalizing the Indian thought process were there and how this kind of a resurgence has again come back in the contemporary days.